An Indian citizen was arrested at the Bangladesh AssistantHigh Commissioners office while seeking a visa. He was arrested on Monday without any criminal charges for objecting the inappropriate behavior of Bangladesh AssistantHigh Commissioner. An Indian citizen of Tripura applied for a visa to go to Bangladesh for urgent work. The Bangladesh AssistantHigh Commissioners office said visas would be given on Friday. But when he went to the visa office on Friday, he was told the visa would be issued on Monday. As usual, he went to Bangladesh AssistantHigh Commissioners office at Agatla Circuit House around 3:30 p.m. on Monday. Another 15 to 20 such people were waiting in front of the Assistant High Commissioner's office to get their visas. But the gate of the Assistant High Commissioner's office was kept closed even though it was time. The police personnel on duty said that nothing can be said, the meeting is going on in the office. On objecting to this, the police were called from the Assistant High Commissioner's office and this person was handed over to the police. The police dragged him to the car. He was arrested by the police without any criminal charges. Other citizens who came to get visas strongly protested the incident.
আমি কালকে আপনারা জানে যাও আমার ডিউটি আমি পালন করব আপনি কেন আমার ধরেন না আমার আরে এই না আমরা পুলিশ না দেখতে কি ডাল মুখ স্যার কি আরাম করতে
The problem of getting Bangladesh visa on time is a long-standing problem. To solve this problem, the visa office was upgraded to the office of Assistant High Commissioner. But even that did not solve the problem. The visa applicants complained that this visa problem is due to the negligence of the local officials. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.